Page 89, Prelude number 18. This one is in the key of C minor. Make sure you can do the scale in C minor. This at the beginning in the left hand is a melodic minor coming up. So C minor is this. A natural minor would be if I played, forget that, if I started on this low C and I played a natural minor scale going up, it would have 3 flats in it. Well, they've put in an A natural and a B natural. They've raised those 2 steps. That's called a melodic minor. We would raise them going up and then lower them coming down. So if to do the whole, let's go up herewards here. If I do the melodic minor up and down, it would be here. Raise them up, and then lower them. That's melodic minor. So really, they're using melodic minor here. I use harmonic minor in the videos, which it is you only raise the 7th step and you keep it raised. That's what I've been using. This is melodic minor. This is fine. So you're up here and you're just doing a C minor scale. And then again, and then again, and until your very last measure. Now you're going down, and again it's melodic minor, which going down is the same as natural minor. They're flats. That's all. Bow steps, a bass clef. In here. Now, that's fine. Counting would be 1 E ended, 2 E ended, 3 E ended, 4. Hey, 1 E ended, 2 E ended, slow it way down. So you're coming in on beat 3. So it's 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E. It's kind of interesting because there's a pickup measure at the beginning, and when you calculate it, it's not 2 complete beats. You're 1/16 note short of a complete beat. Well, at the end, the last measure, well, that's just a 16th note longer than 2 beats. So, but when you put the 2 measures together, you get 4 beats total, and that's what we're after. That's legal, they can do that. Softly. This is a sad piece. It's like a funeral march. You have to decide how funeral-y you are here, but here. Lift up between these phrases. So in the left hand here, you got 2 phrases there, but they're attaching. They can do that. And you play it as though it's all one phrase. Lift up. That's just a 2-note slur. Down, up. And then again, silence before you do that. So put in the silence between these slurs. Totally agree with the slurring, but that's what they put in here. Maybe you want it to go faster. It's entirely up to you on how fast you're going to take this. And overall, it's kind of soft and yeah.